Welcome back, guys. This is the second series video we'll be having on National Skill Qualification NSQ Social Media Communication. For those that have successful in designing their logo, banner, label, and want to proceed to next stage. So this is the stage video for you. That means the last section tutorial, that is online class, and this video will serve as a backup and serve as a replay, a template guide to follow anytime at any point so that you can learn the process how to proceed with your NSQ. So the next stage is work plan. How do you create your work plan in NSQ? If, don't let me forget to introduce myself, Engineer Alabiab Lateef Olatunde, the Skill Coordinator, Federal Polytechnic of Ghana. So, how to create your work plan in NSQ? If you can recall, many weeks ago, I asked you to select a company name. And I even simplified that if you want to do that, you are confused on the companies, what to do, look for different things, look for business that go viral on the internet in the region of Africa, even especially Nigeria. Then use it to create your company brand, your company name. So when you choose your company name will associate with the nature of business you'll be engaging with on your social media communication. So that even if you want to do social networking, uh, product design, online tutorial, selling your local product, moving your local product to international, how to market a product irrespective of even marketing affiliated products. So like give you an example of Clickbank, Amazon, Shopify, and many of that, which you can go there, browse the product that stop selling on those vendors site and register for affiliate so that the discounts on each product you sell will go into your account at the end of the day. You package it, you create a funnel sale. But now to do that, there are a lot of journey. It requires a lot of journey. Work plan. What plans that will cover the entire National Occupational Standard (NOS) in NSQ? If you look at it here now, I want you to use this method. I want you to use this method to create your own. How do you so and to do that, you open your NOS, copy all uh the template guide. I know that is NOA has the course units. So if you remember those units, you copy those units and then bring it up for work plan. So here I'll show you what I did for this Digitronics. Look at this Digitronics. I have wind this back to the beginning of the prompt. You can use ChatGPT to straight your work plan. Now look at the way I position this. I copied those units. You know it has how many units? This is unit 3 NOS that has 14 units. You can see unit 14, social media merit and analysis. So but your own you can cover unit 1 to 8, so that's go with level 1, level 2 precisely. Now when you copy this or you copy the entire prompt as I did, now look at the way I express myself. My concept for social media networking in Digitronics. Digitronics is the company name. Change this to your company name. with a company named Digitronics. Looking at social media communication level 3, you can say looking at social media communication level 1, see all units below are mandatory. So I copy all this mandatory from the NOS. So at the bottom here, I asked ChatGPT this. Help me break down step by step learning objective, named as remember learning objective, named assessments, methods to use to complete the whole NOS, all activities that cover each unit, all units. I have created Facebook, YouTube, Blogspot, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn to showcase my skill in Digitronics. This is the company name I chose for my own, just for a sample that somebody that want to undergo social media communication using a company name. At the end of the day, you are looking for a concept to focus on and how to brand product that will associate with your concept. I'll be using Arduino training module because I'm telling that is what I want to use. I'll be using Arduino training modules to teach my followers, and in the end, we'll be selling Arduino modules, training modules, and also building projects. So this is the prompt, and I send it to what? To ChatGPT to develop a work plan for me. In the end, he returned this prompt that below full step-by-step structure guide that cover learning objective per unit for all NOS, named assessment. Because what I really mean by that, when you talk about the learning objective for each video you are to make must have objective. And even if you are working on a project, your project will have objective. For anything in this life must have objective. So, and at the end of the day, your results, or what we call it output, must meet the requirement. What is the requirement? The objective must be able to fulfill the objective. If I say the objective today is to go to the market and buy recipes, so it means to fulfill that objective I have to step out to the market, buy those recipes and come back home. That is, the objective is just to buy the recipe, and at the end of the day I bought the recipe. So if the objective say that to go to the market, buy the recipe, come back and cook the recipes for dinner, and I return and I went out, buy the recipes and I return and I did not cook for dinner, it means one objective is met, the other one is not. So now that is meant by objective. Objective for your social media communication, that is your skills, that is the concept you want to set. Need assessment means that what you already know, because they must possess one certain knowledge that you want to use. Then that is a number one. Under need assessment, the second one, what you need to know, and what required, what you must know. Those are the three things: what you know, what you need to know, and what you must know. So what you know means the knowledge that is in you. So what are the and you don't know how to pilot it. That is what you know. So what is required? What is required come from the NOS. That is what you need to know. Now, what you must know is the concept that will bridge the two together. What you must know. So that is what you must know will fulfill the requirements for NSQ. Don't let us waste much time about that. Suggested method of learning, practical activities for each NOS, because each objective will tailor you to activities. Now, the ChatGPT break it down for me. These are the names of my assessment: target, audience, resources, key gap. They are the outcome goal. On my learning, and able to spell out my learning objective according to what I have in the NOS. ICT SMS, you see, from LMS Unit 1 under Health and Safety, Communication Skill, Unit 3, that is the teamwork, Unit 4, Principle of Social Media, Unit 5, Developing a Social Media uh, Content, Unit 6, Social Media Platform. You can see each unit have already give me what? The activities I need to do there. Look at this Unit 7, Social Media Strategy, because the activities there is what? Create a 30 days content calendar, compose a campaign title, and has even given me the title I will use. Write a LinkedIn strategy, and then it has even given me what? And it has assigned the method to be used. Look at Unit 8 too. The social media campaign and creation. It gave me what? The objective. I come up with two objective. Objective with 4 activities. Launching a campaign, use hashtag, poster, tracer, and collecting testimony. So Unit 9 and like that. These are what mean by work plan according to NOS. Before I move further, I would like to explain further what I did. Once you're able to break down this, save this in your Microsoft Word, doesn't mean that you should use the same keywords I'm using, because in my own I use Digitronics that I will be focusing on Arduino. So if you are selling a product or brand, or you are a comedian, indicated that you are a comedian, that my concept is comedy. So will the company know Awada Keri Keri? So give me the outline. It will give you the workbook plan. So if you are into fashion and design, you already a tailor and you have can sold the products, indicate it there that your company name is a Stitches Correct. That's your company name, and you can show a buyer and what, or can show shirt and trouser, this and that. So I want to use this one for I want to use this concept uh for my NSQ. So it will align the NOS according, so that what you need to do from beginning to the end. If you are in agro business, that's okay. If I am be doing agro business, I want to use that agro business for social media communication. Indicated that I'm into agric, I'm a farmer, and I what? I do this is what I do under agriculture, because agriculture has different branches. Spell out exactly what you are doing. Don't hide anything. So then it will able to package your work plan for you. So if you are a mechanic or you are a welder and you want to do social media communication, express it that what? I am a welder and my company name is what? Welding Correct, for example. Then I can produce burglary, sure door, this and that. I can fabricate iron of different into different shapes. Then express all the products you can produce. Then to give you the work plan on using NOS. So irrespective of the skill, even if you are a programmer, if you are a programmer, do say I can code using Laravel, or I can code using Code Igniter, you can use I'm a front end designer, or I'm a back end designer. Expect it. I can produce this and that, or I'm a mobile app developer, or I'm a sound engineer, or I'm a dancer. Say okay, fine. I love dancing, so and I can dance with different, and I want to use my dancing skills for this NSQ. Express it there. Just copy my prompt, then change the company name, express your own, go back to the bottom here, express your own. Then indicate it that I have created Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, so that all the things you need to do with this social media platform will be incorporated into your plan, so that you'll be able to follow. If you miss this section, that is another booster for you, another problem. So that I have created Facebook, all the six social media we instructed it to create, indicate it in your prompt. Then get it done. Can download it in PDF at the end of the day or in doc format. So when that is done, you've completed your work plan. The next stage is implementation. Thank you for listening. So once you are done this, we move it to the next stage. So we'll now talk about how you implement it stage by stage. I mentioned that we have let's say for today, the Coordinator Skill Development Center Federal Technical Offer. Again, thank you for listening.